Welcome back, students. In this video, we are going to discuss about converting the improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So these are some of the steps that you can follow, and the first one is that you have to divide the given fraction. For example, if the fraction is 13 over 6, and by the way, it's an improper fraction because its numerator is bigger or greater than the denominator. So that's why we call it a improper fraction. Now, if we have to convert it into a mixed fraction, we have to do the following work. And that is, we have to divide the fraction. That means 13 over 6 को आपने divide करना है. So you will write it as 13 and 6. The division has been done for you over here. So you can see that we got a remainder of 1. So this is called what? This is called a remainder. It cannot be further divided. We have 2, that is your quotient. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इसको हम कहते हैं quotient. So when you're converting it into a mixed number, the second step is write down the quotient as a whole number. Quotient को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? उसको हम whole number में लिखते हैं. Third step is write remainder as a numerator over the same denominator. जो आपका remainder था, that is 1, उसको आप कहाँ लिखेंगे? Numerator में. Alright, that is your numerator, and in the denominator you'll write the same number, that was 6. So this is how you can convert improper fraction into a mixed number. Let's solve some of the examples or some of the questions from the exercise to understand this concept more better. We have 13 over 2 over here. The first step is to divide. So let's divide 13 over 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6 are 12, right? So we write over here 12, and 1 is remainder. This is your remainder, this is your quotient, and this is your denominator. So we're gonna write the quotient as whole number. We're gonna write the remainder as the numerator, and we're gonna write the same denominator in the mixed number. So this is how you can write the improper fraction into mixed number. Let's look at another question, that is 7 over 6, and we are going to first of all divide it. 6 ones are 6. We have 1 as the remainder, we have 1 as a quotient. So where do we write the quotient? We write the quotient in the whole number portion, and then we write the remainder as numerator, and we write the same denominator of the improper fraction. So this is your mixed number now. Next question is 5 over 2. So let's do the math and write the 5 inside, 2 outside, 2 2s are 4. Alright, so 1 is going to be the remainder, 2 is going to be the quotient. So we'll start with the quotient and we write it in whole numbers. We're going to write the numerator and as remainder 1, and we're going to write the same denominator, that is 2. Okay, so this is your mixed fraction of the given number. Next question is 34 over 7. So we're going to write over here 34 and 7 outside. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28, right? So we write over here 28. And if we minus 28 with 34, the answer is 6. So we got the remainder as 6. We got the quotient as 4. So we're gonna write the quotient first, and that is 4. Then we have remainder 6. Then we have denominator 7. If you want to learn this, there is another method, and that is you can write that the quotient will be the whole number, remainder will be the numerator, and the denominator will be the same. अब इसको देखते हुए हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. पहले हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. 22, 5 and 5 fours are 20. 2 is remainder, 4 is your quotient. So remember, we write the quotient over here 4, we write the remainder here 2, and then comes 5. इसी तरह next question solve करेंगे, and that is 23 into 4. We're gonna see where this will be divided completely, and that is for 5's are 20 and 3 is the remainder. Alright, 5 is the quotient. So we write the quotient over here 5. We write the numerator over here as 3 and the denominator as 4. So this is how you can convert the improper fraction to mixed numbers easily. Okay.